Get ready for a super fun adventure with our favorite monster truck characters. Firstly, Scooby-Doo zooms over sandy hills, trying to escape two silly zombie trucks. He's on a quest for yummy Scooby snacks to unlock something super special. It's Gravedigger's turn. He's heading home to his castle, but wait. The same silly zombie trucks are following him. And guess what? His castle has friendly ghosts. Will Gravedigger be brave enough to overcome his fear of ghosts and find the pirate's curse? Finally, it's Captain Curse's turn. He's racing away from a big Akinator and zombie. He's looking for a giant shark called Megalodon hiding in a beautiful oasis. CJ needs to maneuver Megalodon through rough waters to find hidden treasure.
If you start seeing it, this one's the original one.
Scooby-Doo? What is this? Zombies coming! Big one is faster.
Oh my goodness, Scooby-Doo. Got by zombie without being touched. We need to find the Scooby snacks.
So that will give you some energy.
Give you the energy you need to complete the mission and find Gravedigger.
Oh, I see something, I see something.
What are those?
Right there.
Oh, Scooby found a Scooby snack. We get to find the hidden monster truck.
To find the next tire. Found the hidden monster truck.
Gravedigger original and Gravedigger 5th anniversary. Gravedigger has to go to the castle. He has to worry about ghosts. He's not going to be afraid.
Okay.
He has Gravedigger with the ghost on his face.
Oh no!
Boom.
Oh!
Oh, zombie fails. Oh, but look what's coming in the back. The big zombie. Oh, oh, oh no. Oh, get him. Oh, zombie failed.
Here's the castle. There's the Grim. What's Grim doing?
He's guarding the castle.
Guarding the
goodness.
castle.
What's in the castle that he needs to protect?
Our hidden monster truck.
He's protecting Captain's curse.
Captain's curse. I am protecting Gravedigger's dungeon. Do you think you have what it takes to pass?
Yep.
Oh my goodness. Well, let me tell you,
What?
there are two obstacles you need to worry about inside of this castle.
So what is it?
Finding Pirate's Curse, being careful of all the ghosts.
You mean like down over there?
That one right over there. Oh, and the one right above you. Yeah. Oh, and the one on your hand right over there. Oh my goodness. All right. I will let you in.
Yeah, but look at my scary picture.
You may enter, but you may not exit.
Found him.
All right.
Thank you, Pirate's Curse.
Oh.
That was very thankful.
Okay.
Gravedigger, you can finally take back your castle.
This is my castle, not your castle.
It is. Good job on finding Pirate's Curse. Now, there's one last mission. Do you accept the challenge?
Yeah.
You must find the other hidden monster truck of Gravedigger.
So Captain's Curse, you gotta go find your pirate ship
Yep.
at the ocean. Pirate's
Pirate's Curse is on the mission. Oh, he's gonna catch him. Oh! And Pirate's Curse gets one more life to... Whoops! Oh. Okay.
Is he back to life?
Come back to life. He's catching him. He's catching him.
I want that one to flip over.
Oh!
Good job, Captain Sturz. Whoa, you found Megalodon!
Megalodon! Oh, wow!
Oh, there goes it.
Hey, Daddy, what do you like? Hey, Daddy?
Hey!
I feel the monster can over the water and you have to jump in there and get them.
Oh. We have decided to do an unboxing.
Oh, wait. I thought I'm going to give you something as a reward. So, Christian, there's a reward that you can help unbox for Grave Digger for saving me. Thank you. What is this?
It's a RC truck that looks like a toy, but it's a remote control.
What? It's probably the smallest RC I've ever seen. Yeah, okay.
It's the same size, see?
Wow, which one is the RC?
This one's RC and this one's the original one.
Oh wow, they're the same 1/64 scale.
That's so fast, Christian. Wow.
Smallest RC Grave Digger I've ever seen. Whoa! Went through my legs.
Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Today we're going to do the ultimate Grave Digger race-off.
CJ Adventures pushes the limits of his top 32 gravediggers in a heart-pounding race to crown the undisputed champion. Hold on tight and join us on this thrilling adventure where only Gravedigger will emerge victorious.
Go down here, so, and we're going to go down there, and we're going to jump, and we're going to see who's going to go the farthest.
Oh, did you see all those flips?
Yeah.
Here's one winner. Here is the next winner. Who is up next? Go! Here's our next winner. Want to pick two more?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I bet he's going to be very heavy, so
Yes.
For it. Bad to the bone. What happened to Gravedigger Legend?
well, let me show you something.
Okay.
When he was coming down,
Uh-huh.
maybe he went like this and
Oh, so he biffed it?
yeah.
All right, we'll put him in the biff pile. Up.
Yeah.
And let's go. The wheelie bar wins it. Okay, Christian, you have a prediction?
And I'm ready.
Who's gonna
Ready.
win? Who's gonna win?
I don't know.
All right, let's go. Grandma Gravedigger beats 30th anniversary.
Yeah, when the flames are open, that means this is here. The flames are down, that means this is not.
Ready, Christian?
Yeah.
And let's go.
Oh wow.
So far, so good. Ooh, I like that one
Digger
right
and
there.
Kristen Anderson version of Grave Digger.
All right. Okay, Christian, are we ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Go.
Flames are closed.
Well done, Kristen Anderson. Uh-oh.
Oh, Christian's favorite grave digger. Go, 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 go!
Oh, nice! Christian's favorite grave digger finally won.
Okay, so if he won and he wins the other race, that means he's going to win. That means my favorite grave digger is going to be my ultimate champion.
Of course,
buddy.
yeah.
Yeah, so my favorite grave digger is the one right next to you.
Oh, right on edition, grave digger.
Go.
Oh my goodness, what's going on with those two?
All right.
Yeah, but all the other guys are okay if they win. Let's go. The other grave digger won. Go.
Oh.
Grave digger wins.
Good winner.
What?
But he is the victor.
So it's Mario Kart versus Mario Kart.
Ooh, I like that.
Yeah, that would be a great race.
And let's go.
Oh, how did they jump on the side?
Oh, I like this one.
None of them made it.
This is the winner.
Clear moves. And after that, can your phone do that then?
Oh, sure, I can absolutely do that, buddy.
With the grave digger music?
Sure can.
Oh, Grandma Grave Digger. She got tired.
Yeah, she got tired
Yeah.
of it. She needed to take a nap.
She got tired.
Yeah. Boom, boom.
Oh.
But that is the furthest that I ever seen.
This one wins.
And I got ready.
All right. Go.
Ooh.
GD208 took the victory. Digger against the...
Hot Wheel Grave Digger. Willie Bar. Hey, Willie Bar made it halfway.
Then.
Whoa.
Whoa. Oh. All right. Move on back. 1, 2,
3, 4,
Four.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14,
All right.
15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20, and 11, too.
All right, so the elite 8 are these particular grave diggers.
Did you see that day? He went outside and still went up.
Whoa.
Wow, that was a huge race.
I'm gonna give you back to me.
Oh, okay.
Oh no.
This one is the winner.
Woohoo!
Oh, it did win. He landed on the wheels too. Christian's best grave digger is in the final 4.
And final 4. This is my favorite grave digger. It's time for my grave digger to go for the championship.
Yes, it is.
Whoa!
All right, Kristen's gravedigger goes to the championship round. Oh! 40th anniversary gravedigger makes it to the finals against Christian's most treasured gravedigger.
Ready?
Christian's original gravedigger versus 40th anniversary. Who pulls out the victory?
Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Always remember to stay happy. This is how CJ sees the world. That gravedigger is my ultimate champion. One right.
It's a tie! Oh, gravedigger with the lead.
Let's go!
This is gonna be mayhem mash. Oh, Halloween edition. The biggest of them all, gravedigger. Spin Ryan's wheel twice, and whoever you land on is going to be whoever races down to see the champion. Okay, green.
Green.
It's Air Terrell.
Okay, Christmas edition El Toro Loco. Spin again.
Also, the small one is
Yeah.
White.
Okay, who's the white one?
I wish I got we should have been like
3 spins.
3 spins.
All
Then we
three
have
of them
3
go
of them,
down.
buddy. Okay, all right, let's race them.
okay.
Who do you think's gonna win? Christian.
I don't know, but I'm going to see.
All right, let's see. Oh, El Toro Loco pulls out the victory. Oh my goodness.
So it's going to be Air Terrell Loco.
El Toro Loco. All right, let's go find. I'll put this in the loser. Unfortunately, they're really good looking.
But maybe Bakugan, big Bakugan can
Redeem
win the-
himself.
Yes, win
Okay.
the race.
All right.
Have an Air Terrell Loco.
Oh, that's okay. There it is, El Toro Loco, Christian.
So we're gonna go see who goes
Yeah.
further. Okay, so winner right here. All right. Let's see
All
who
right.
goes further.
Oh. All right, Bakugan, let's see what you got.
Further than this.
Who wins, Christian? Who won?
Well, I think that's a tie.
It's a tie? Okay. I like it. Yeah. Want to do it again, Christian? Okay. All right, let's go, buddy. Okay, see what you got, Bakugan. Okay. All right. Toro Loco coming down. Oh, I think Bakugan won.
Air Terrell Loco was here, and Bakugan Dragonway was here.
Okay.
That means they both, because they both get points.
Okay. All right. Sounds good. They both get points. Spin the wheel. Let's get 2 more going, buddy.
So we're going.
2 more. Okay.
Orange.
Orange.
This is a little tricky. Okay.
Oh,
Who's in there?
It's a nightmare.
Northern Nightmare against.
Yellow.
Yellow.
Megalodon.
All right. Okay. Let's set them up for the.
First.
Oh, Megalodon pulls the victory. All right, Megalodon pulled out the victory. Woo! All right, let's race the big ones now, Christian.
They
Megalodon,
happen to be together.
Northern Nightmare.
Go!
Okay. All right. Versus regular size Megalodon.
Let's see what you got.
Let's go. Oh, I think it's Megalodon again.
It's Megalodon again.
All right. Megalodon. So far, it's in the family.
Okay, so that means Northern Nightmare goes in the loser pile, and Megalodon's in a winner pile.
I like that. Okay. Boop. Okay, spin the wheel. Let's get two more. Sparkle Smash. Mama's favorite.
Mine try.
Orange.
Oh, there you go.
All right.
Dragon.
Dragon.
Okay.
All right.
Go, Sparkle Smash.
Christian Sparkle Smash versus Dragon. Who's gonna win?
Come on, let's go.
Let's go.
Oh, darn.
But what if the big Sparkle Smash wins?
Okay, big.
Okay, big Sparkle Smash. So we had Sparkle Smash for the victory.
You can watch.
Okay, let's go. And here is Dragon. Oh, there goes Dragon. Okay. Oh, yay!
That's why.
But I think Mama will be happy because she really likes Sparkle Smash. What do you think?
Oh, Daddy, I will wait. If they both have wings, then Megalodon doesn't win. So then if they both have wings, then I will be happy.
Okay, so you want both of them to have points. Roll it up, buddy. Oh, Christmas edition, great.
There you go.
There you go, Christian.
Blue Thunder.
Blue Thunder versus
Grave
Digger. Right there, Christian. Okay,
Okay, so you guys watch it.
go for it. Oh, Grave Digger with the lead. Oh, he makes it. Oh, Grave Digger for the victory. Woo, look at that. All right, let's go race the big ones now. Blue Thunder versus Grave Digger. Let's do it. Yeah, he won by a lot. All right, Christian. Whoa. Okay. All right. Oh, he jumped. He jumped off the track.
And now he's right here.
All right, so he doesn't win.
Okay. There you go.
There you go.
Big.
Max D versus Grave Digger Christmas Edition. All right, let's do this. All right.
You guys go first.
Okay, Christian. Are we ready to let him go? And oh, Grave Digger to a commanding victory. Oh, who won that one, Christian?
Big Digger for a little bit.
All right. Okay. All right, let's race the big ones now. Grave Digger versus Max D. Okay. Dun, dun, dun. Digger for the victory. How many points did Grave Digger get on that one, Christian?
That's 1,000.
All right, 1 point. 1,000 points? All right.
For Digger.
Good job.
And the rest of the big trucks go.
Yeah, if you want to race
All right.
the big trucks, you can.
Okay, Christian. All right,
What
so
do we do next?
we are all done here.
But
Iron Man. Batman.
Batman.
Oh, so we're gonna put Batman right here. Iron Man right here. Okay, go for it.
Let's go!
Oh, Sparkle Smash halfway up the hill. Oh my goodness. Halloween edition Earthshaker. Oh, he was way up here, Christian, and then back up. So what should we give him? That's a good one right there. Yeah. Sparkle Smash so far is in the lead. Dragon. Oh.
Daddy wants Grave Digger goes down
Uh-huh.
and touch right here.
Uh-huh.
Can you just please put him right here?
Sure.
Or maybe like right here.
Okay, I certainly will, buddy. Oh, Toro Loco. Dun, dun, dun. Grave Digger. I'm sorry, not Grave Digger. Megalodon. Get a little wibbly wobbling first. Oh. No, they're all getting right here, Christian.
We have a 6 racer.
6 racer.
On 2 lanes.
Hold on. This is going to be mayhem mashup right here. Christian, are you ready?
I'm ready.
That's 3. Oh, Grave Digger out to an early lead. Oh, I think Grave Digger took it. There's 2 of them right here. Oh, still beating, Grave Digger still beating him, Christian. Go.
Think Grave Digger do better?
Oh, look at that.
He went a bit better.
Oh my goodness gracious. Good job, Grave Digger.
Touched him like right here, Mommy.
Yeah. Who's next, buddy?
One more.
Captain's Curse.
Off you go.
Oh, he fell off the track. He biffed it.
Off you go.
Oh, Halloween edition. Oh! Christian, that was actually riding on 2 wheels for a while. Thunderoris.
But he's
Oh! Thunderoris knocks out Sparkle Smash.
Biggest of all.
The biggest of them all, Grave Digger. Oh, it's a tie. Grave Digger's tied it.
Grave Digger, of course.
I think Grave Digger won the championship, buddy. It looks like we have 2 Grave Diggers that made the championship and tied it. So they are the national champions. Woo-hoo! Give me a high five. What do you have to say about that?
That's good. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Grave Digger won the championship. Always remember to say hi. This is how CJ sees the world.